Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the top 5 businesses you must do in the era of AI in 2023. As we know, artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing, and with it, new opportunities for business and innovation are emerging. So, let's dive in. AI consulting. With the rise of AI, many companies are looking to integrate this technology into their business model. However, not all businesses have the knowledge and expertise required to successfully implement AI. This is where AI consulting comes in. As an AI consultant, you would provide guidance to businesses on how to integrate AI into their operations, identify areas where AI can improve efficiencies, and help develop custom AI solutions. AI-based cybersecurity. As the world becomes more connected and reliant on technology, the risk of cyber attacks continues to grow. AI-based cybersecurity is a new and emerging field that utilizes machine learning and AI algorithms to detect and prevent cyber attacks. As an AI-based cybersecurity business, you would offer solutions that can identify and mitigate cyber threats in real time. AI-powered chatbots. In today's world, customer service is more important than ever. However, with a growing customer base, providing quality customer service can be challenging. AI-powered chatbots can help businesses by providing customers with immediate support and assistance. As an AI chatbot business, you would develop and implement chatbots that can quickly respond to customer inquiries, provide solutions to common problems, and offer personalized experiences. AI in healthcare. The healthcare industry is another area where AI is rapidly advancing. AI-based healthcare solutions can help doctors and healthcare professionals with tasks such as disease diagnosis, patient monitoring, and personalized treatment plans. As an AI healthcare business, you would develop and implement AI-powered solutions to improve healthcare outcomes. AI in agriculture. The agricultural industry is also an area where AI is making a significant impact. AI-based solutions can help farmers with tasks such as crop monitoring, soil analysis, and yield predictions. As an AI agriculture business, you would develop and implement AI-powered solutions to help farmers increase crop yields and optimize their operations. These are the top 5 businesses you must do in the era of AI in 2023. While there are many other areas where AI is making an impact, these 5 industries offer some of the most promising opportunities for growth and innovation. So, if you're looking to start a business in the era of AI, these are the areas you should focus on. Thank you for watching.